Good morning, sir. My name is Jan Dennis Carillo from Bali 2-1, and this is my self-introduction video. My full name is Jan Dennis Pascual Carillo. My first name, John, came from my dad's name, John Michael. John, which is originally John, came from the Bible, meaning God is gracious. While my second name, Denise, came from my mom's name, Janice, which she said that her name came from her grandmother's name. My middle name, Pascual, came from a Spanish origin derived from the Latin name Paschalis, which means relating to Easter. It is associated with the Christian celebration of Easter. Lastly, my surname, Carillo, is also a Spanish surname. It came from a nickname meaning cheek or face, as Carillo in Old Spanish referred to facial features. As you can see, my cheeks are a little bit fat, and also because they say that Carillos really do have big cheeks. So that's the history of my name. The name I prefer to be called is by my nickname JD, not only because it's short, but also because my grandmother gave me that nickname. That's why it is special to me. Where I am from Gapan City, Nueva Ecija, and it is also my place of birth and where I grew up. Why I enrolled in this course, BA Literature. I enrolled in this course because I really love writing and reading when I was in high school, and also because I love literature in general. And I also discovered that this course can be a pre-law course, and it's obvious that I want to be a lawyer in the future. One fact about me is that I really love singing and dancing, even though it's not obvious, but I'm really not that good, but I really love singing and dancing and music in general. I really love it. A personal goal or dream I am currently pursuing. For now, I want to be a literature teacher, and after that, I will take up law because my main goal in life is to help my family. Because as a panganay po, but I really need to strive hard for my siblings and for my parents, my family. That's why I'm currently my goal is to be a literature teacher, and if I became successful, hopefully I'm gonna be going to law school and take up law. Thank you.